Hey everyone, Victor P here, and today I'm going to show you a few DVDs. Nanny McPhee double feature and Woodpecker. Let's start with Nanny McPhee.
Time for bed.
Thank you for saving me, Nanny McPhee.
Stars Emma Thompson and Colin Firth. The first film, that was a good one. He tried to stop another evil nanny, named Mrs. Quickly. Anyways, I'll show you the spine. Here's the spine, and here's the back. Here's the back. There are the double movies. We have, once again, I have 2 movies per disc, Nanny McPhee and Nanny McPhee Returns. I gave it 10 out of 10. Next one is Woodpecker. I got this for my birthday. I'll show you the spine. And here's the back. Bonus features. Here's a disc, looks like a clear disc. Woodpecker's a good movie. I gave it 10 out of 10. My favorite part is when Woody attacks the construction workers. That was very funny. This is Victor P signing off. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Bye.